So, you are online, you are shopping, you are emailing, you are posting photos of your cat. It all feels perfectly safe, right? It is just you and your screen. But every time you connect, you step into a vast, invisible world buzzing with information. Think of it like a sprawling digital city, amazing places to visit, and dark alleys to avoid. That is where cybersecurity comes in. Your digital bodyguard. Not just for corporations or government, it is for you and me, anyone with a device. Cybersecurity means protecting your digital stuff from being stolen, damaged, or tampered with. Imagine a stranger with the keys to your house. Online, that could be your logins and identity. They could drain accounts, steal your identity, or lock your photos and demand money. This is not science fiction. It happens every single day. The goal is not fear, it is empowerment. Simple habits for huge protection. By the end, you will spot scams, protect accounts, and keep the bad guys out. It is easier than you think. Let us get started. Cybersecurity is your everyday safety in the digital city. First, let us meet the villains of our story. Phishing is a fake email or text that looks legit, trying to make you click a link or download a file. They use urgency to steal passwords or personal info. Malware is malicious software. Viruses that spread, spyware that records, ransomware that locks files for payment. Scammers use stories, like fake tech support, to trick you into granting access. Or they set up fake stores to grab your card details. They prey on fear, urgency, and the lure of a deal to lower your guard. Weak passwords are easy to guess, often in seconds. Reusing the same password everywhere is like one key for house, car, and office. If one site gets breached, attackers can unlock everything else. One loss and everything is compromised. Good news, simple defenses stop most of this. Let us build an unbreakable first wall, passwords. Know the enemy, fix the weak links. Next, make strong passwords and add a second lock. Let us build your fortress. The first wall is your password. Strength comes from length and complexity. Short and simple gets cracked in seconds. Long and complex can take centuries to guess. Aim for at least 12 characters. 16 or more is better. Mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Turn a simple phrase into a strong passphrase. Avoid predictable patterns, common words, and personal info. Can you remember unique strong passwords for every account? You should not try. Use a password manager to generate, store, and autofill strong passwords. You remember one ultra-strong master password. A few dollars a month is often worth the protection. For email, bank, and social, add two-factor authentication. A second step, like a texted code or an authenticator app, blocks logins even if a password leaks. Turn it on today. It is a simple step with dramatic impact. See those update notifications? Do not ignore them. Companies patch vulnerabilities. Updates deliver the fixes. WannaCry spread by a flaw that had a patch. Victims had not updated. Turn on automatic updates for everything, and let devices protect themselves. Phishing often looks urgent and official. The golden rule, never click unexpected links. If in doubt, go directly. Type the site address or use the official app. Check the sender domain and avoid generic greetings like "Dear Customer." Hover before you click. If the link looks wrong, do not click. Public Wi-Fi feels free, but it is often not secure at all. On open networks, attackers can eavesdrop on sites you visit and credentials you type. They can even set up convincing fake hotspots to route your traffic through them. Use a VPN to encrypt your connection. Snoopers only see unreadable noise. No VPN, avoid banking, shopping, and passwords. Stick to general browsing. Master these 4 strong, unique passwords, turn on 2FA, keep everything updated, and be ruthless about links. Plus, use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. You have got this. Stay safe out there.